Okay, so welcome in the section 2. In this section, we are going to create our YouTube channel. So let's get started without wasting any further time. So go to your Google Chrome and select the Gmail which you want to make YouTube on it. I have already signed in, as you can see. So simply just type YouTube and press enter to search. As you can see, our YouTube is now open, and as you can see, I am already login with my Gmail account on which I want to create a YouTube channel. So simply click on it and create a channel. Okay, so it is now asking for a YouTube channel name. So I will leave it as it is, because I haven't decided any channel name. Do it later. So, and it is also suggesting us the Twitter handle. You can choose a very short and easiest remembering YouTube handle uh, from here, and you can also edit this later on. Okay, so don't worry about it. Click on create channel. It is now creating our YouTube channel, so let's wait. As you can see, our channel is successfully created, and let's go into our YouTube studio. Simply click on your logo and click on YouTube studio. This will redirect you into the insights of YouTube. As you can see, it is showing us welcome message, welcome to the YouTube studio. Okay, so click on continue. We have successfully created our brand new YouTube channel. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss it about how we can optimize it. So keep on watching the next video. Thank you.